There were 5 of them, war prisoners, stripped of their names, taken to a secret underground laboratory. They were promised freedom if they could endure 30 days without sleep. The room was sterile, unnervingly white, but the air was filled with an invisible, inescapable gas. The first few days were uneventful. The subjects talked, joked, clung to a fragile hope, but irritation grew. By the 5th day, arguments erupted. By the 9th day, they were no longer human. First came the screaming. It tore through the air, relentless, continuing even as their vocal cords gave out. On the 10th day, something worse. Filth smeared across the walls, windows blacked out with excrement, ensuring that no one could see what was happening inside. By the 15th day, the scientists had no choice. They turned off the gas. The door creaked open, revealing a nightmare. What remained of the subjects could no longer be called living beings. Their bodies were mutilated by their own hands, skin peeled away in strips, muscle and bone exposed. They had been consuming themselves, yet somehow they remained alive. Their bloodshot, deranged eyes locked onto the researchers, filled with hatred and a desperate plea. "Turn the gas back on," one of them whispered. "We need to stay awake." They knew the moment they slept, they would die, but the scientists refused. One by one, they collapsed onto the floor. Their twisted bodies fell still. The experiment was over, but their freedom was never returned. Remember us. Remember our torment.